Mohon perhatian, channel Efek Film segera dimulai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Kembali lagi dengan saya Mbah Ronggo di channel Efek Film. Video kali ini saya akan melanjutkan merekap alur cerita film Game of Thrones episode di season yang kedua. Yang belum nonton season yang pertama silahkan cek dan klik link playlist di kolom deskripsi. Ojo lali di padam kesik subreke ben gak terlalu terang, nanti silau matanya nanti, ya kan? Padam kesik lah. Jangan lupa sebelum menikmati alur cerita filmnya, siapkan kopi dan udut serta jajanan pasar agar tidak mengantuk, ya kan? Dan inilah Game of Thrones season 2 episode 8 dimulai. Film diawali di Winterfell. Terlihat si Theon Greyjoy sedang menyambut saudara perempuannya yaitu si Yara bersama rombongan menggunakan kuda ke Winterfell. Di dalam ruangan, Theon mengharapkan pujian dari saudara perempuannya. Namun dia malah menjadi definisi ketika dia mengkritik keputusannya untuk mengeksekusi anak laki-laki Stark karena telah melarikan diri.
Cripple or the 6-year-old.
I treated the Stark boys with honor. Thought I had to kill them. Repaid me with treachery.
You treated them with honor by butchering them. Is their home, as is your right. Is that treachery? When you made them prisoners in their home and they ran away. You know how valuable those boys were.
Theon semakin terkejut ketika dia mengatakan kepadanya bahwa ayahnya mereka, yaitu Lord Balon, ingin dia pulang.
How am I supposed to defend Winterfell with just this lot? You haven't brought enough men.
Father wants a word.
Is this a joke?
You're not. I've come to bring you home.
Ketika Theon menolak untuk menyerahkan kastil, Yara mengingatkan si Theon bahwa Robb akan memiliki kepalanya.
With the bodies of the Stark boys. When Robb Stark finds out, every man in the north wants to see you hang.
We have all the horses. No, we've killed all the ravens. I've taken Winterfell. And I will keep Winterfell.
Leave us.
Setelah ia menyuruh para anggotanya keluar ruangan, Yara mendesak adik laki-lakinya dan mengatakan, "Ayo pulang denganku. Jangan sampai kau meninggal di menara ini."
Come home with me, don't die here alone. Don't die so far from the sea.
Beralih di luar tembok The Wall, terlihat Ygritte menyerahkan Jon Snow kepada Lord of Bones yang dikenal oleh orang-orang dari White sebagai Rattlesnake karena armor kerangkanya. Dengan Khane Halfdan yang sudah menjadi tawanannya, Rattlesnake bersiap untuk membunuh si Jon Snow. Tetapi Ygritte berpendapat dengan meyakinkan bahwa Mance Rayder akan tertarik pada keturunan Ned
He
Stark.
could have killed me half a dozen times.
Got him. He wishes he did. Got him.
But he's a bastard of Winterfell, Ned Stark's son. Mance will want him.
What does Mance want with a dead man's bastard?
Think he'll want to decide for himself. I don't know.
Ketika Rattlesnake menyerah, Ygritte memberitahu Jon bahwa mereka seimbang.
We're even now, Jon Snow.
Menyelamatkan hidupnya sendiri, Jon sangat terpukul mengetahui bahwa orang-orang dalam kelompok Thorin telah dibunuh oleh kelompok liar. Sudah tidak berguna lagi untuk memikirkannya, kata Thorin.
Found your tracks fast enough. When you didn't come back, we weren't looking for you. They found us before we found you. They died because of me. See that it wasn't for nothing.
Dan saat di perjalanan, Thorin mulai berdebat dengan si Jon.
If you do what needs to be done, what? They'll never trust me. They might.
Skip through the snow, you little savage girl. How does it feel knowing those men all died?
I didn't.
I should have known better. Bastard!
He's not yours to kill. Crow.
Beralih di Westerland, terlihat Raja Robb yang sudah kembali dari tebing bersama Lady Talisa menjelaskan kepadanya keadaan pertunangannya. Dia berjanji untuk menikahi seorang gadis Frey untuk mendapatkan akses ke jembatan yang memungkinkan dia untuk berbaris ke selatan dan mudah-mudahan menyelamatkan ayahnya.
Still thought I could march south and rescue him in time. It was before they killed my father. Only if I crossed that bridge.
Meskipun dia diajari oleh Ned untuk memerintah dengan baik, Robb teguh bahwa perang harus berlanjut. Keluarganya tidak akan pernah aman selagi Lannister belum meninggal.
He told me he woke with fear in the morning and went to bed with fear. I didn't believe him. How can a man be brave if he's afraid? I asked him. That is the only time a man can be brave, he told me. I want the men following me to go home. I want to go home. You think I'm fighting this war so they'll sing songs about me?
Then why don't you?
And because I believe in justice. Because we'll never be safe until the Lannisters are defeated.
Perjalanan mereka terganggu dengan berita si Jaime telah melarikan diri dengan bantuan Lady Catelyn Stark.
The Kingslayer. He escaped in the night.
How? How?
Robb berbaris ke tenda ibunya dengan Lord Rickard Casterk dengan tidak percaya, tetapi Catelyn tidak menyangkal tindakannya. Marah, Robb segera mengirim lebih banyak untuk mendapatkan kembali Kingslayer.
For the girls.
You betrayed me.
Sansa and Arya are captives in King's Landing. Bran and Rickon are captives. I have 5 children and only one of them is free.
You've weakened our position. Jaime Lannister has played you for, and you did it all behind my back. You brought discord into our camp. Make sure she's guarded day and night.
Robb.
How many men did we send in pursuit of the Kingslayer?
40, Your Grace.
Send another 40 with our fastest horse.
Terlihat si Brienne dari taat melakukan perjalanan dengan si Jaime yang terbelenggu melalui jalan belakang menuju King's Landing.
Brienne of Tarth.
Your father? Selwyn Tarth. It's a long way to King's Landing. I didn't mean to give offense, my ladies.
Crimes are past forgiveness, Kingslayer.
Ever harmed you?
You've harmed others.
Why do you hate me so much?
Jaime mencoba membujuk penculiknya untuk menunjukkan kepadanya keterampilan pedangnya, tetapi Brienne mengabaikannya.
You think you could beat me in a fair fight? I'm ready to chop my head off. You could?
I've never seen you fight.
Let's see what happens. You're so confident. Unlock my chain.
Did you take me for an idiot?
Maybe one day we'll find out, Kingslayer.
Beralih di Harrenhal, terlihat para Lannister sedang rapat. Ser Kevan Lannister menganjurkan agar keluarga kerajaan mundur karena Stannis Baratheon dalam perjalanan ke King's Landing. Lord Tywin menolak untuk membiarkan keluarga itu mundur, menyadari pesan yang akan dikirimnya.
He's a Lannister. Stand and fight. He who runs will not be king for long. And the wolf at my doorstep. Stannis, 2 days from the capital.
Ser Kevan memberitahu saudaranya bahwa Greyjoy telah membantu mereka dengan mengambil Winterfell. Robb telah mengirim orang untuk merebut kembali kastil.
The Greyjoys have done us a great favor. We sent a splinter force to recapture Winterfell at full force. Stark won't risk marching on Casterly Rock.
He'll risk anything at any time. He's a boy and he's never lost a battle.
Lord Tywin memilih untuk mengejutkan pasukan Robb yang berkurang malam itu dan meninggalkan Ser Groger Clegane yang bertanggung jawab atas Harrenhal, memperingatkan Arya untuk mengawasi minumnya.
We'll ride at nightfall, track down this brotherhood and destroy them. Clegane, you'll maintain a garrison here at Harrenhal. The girl's proven herself a good servant. See that he doesn't get drunk in the evening. She'll stay on with you. But he's better at his work. He's poor company when he's sober.
Setelah mendapatkan waktu luang, akhirnya dia keluar untuk mencari Jaqen H'ghar. Entah apa maksud dan tujuannya, dia mencari di penghujung jalan. Namun, dia tak dapat menemukan Jaqen H'ghar.
Where's Jaqen? Jaqen!
How would I know?
I need him now.
I saw him.
Where? Well, Tywin's marching tonight.
You need him.
Where?
They're rushing out the gates a few hours ago.
Jahan akhirnya muncul. Dia bertanya kepadanya beberapa lama untuk yang dibutuhkannya untuk membunuh seorang pria. Kematian itu pasti, waktunya belum tiba, katanya padanya.
How long after I give you the name does it take you to kill?
Death is certain. The time is not.
I need him dead right now. He's taking his army to attack my brother.
Tidak puas, dia menyebut Jahan Hagar sebagai korban ketiganya. Terkejut, Jahan menuntut dia untuk tidak menyebutkan namanya. Tetapi Arya berkata sebagai gantinya, dia harus membantunya dan teman-temannya melarikan diri dari Harrenhal.
Alright, Jaqen H'ghar.
Hagar gives a man his own name. This is no joking thing.
I'm not joking. That's right.
Gods are not mocked. Name me.
No, he can go kill himself.
Please.
I'll unname you.
Thank you.
If you help me and my friends escape.
It's not part of our bargain.
Fine. Jaqen H'ghar.
This would require more than one life. Hagar lacks honor. If I do this thing, a girl must obey.
A girl will obey.
The girl and her friends will walk through the gate at midnight.
Malam pun tiba. Dengan Hotpie dan Gendry di belakangnya malam itu, Arya mengumpulkan keberanian untuk berjalan menuju gerbang dan menyadari bahwa orang-orang yang menjaga sudah meninggal.
Let that bit out. Say anything about the gods.
I won't part, don't you think?
We have to trust him.
Trust him? I want to go back to the kitchens.
Shut up. Stay here if you're afraid.
You trusted him to fight with us and you set him free and he ran.
Harry, don't!
Beralih di King's Landing, terlihat si Tryon sedang memeriksa buku-buku untuk mencari strategi yang akan digunakan melawan Stannis. Bertengkar dengan Bronn sampai Varys pun masuk.
Why am I here? You want me looking your way?
To help me plan the defense of King's Landing. An history of the great sieges of Westeros.
And one of these explains how to beat him. I'd swap all your books for a few good archers.
Meskipun Varys memuji Bronn atas cara jubah emas mengurangi insiden pencurian di kota, Tryon tidak senang dengan metode brutal Bronn.
And how did you accomplish this mock drop in thievery?
It's just the unknown thieves we need to worry about now. Me and the lads rounded up all the known thieves. Maybe this part's not in your books. Things get bad enough. The thieves, they love a siege. The poor start eating each other. By the time it's all over, they're the richest men in town. Soon as the gates are sealed, they steal all the food.
Menilai peta kota, Tryon memperkirakan Stannis akan mendarat dan menuju gerbang terdekat yang terlemah, gerbang lumpur.
Mudgate. And it's only 50 yards from the water. Good ram will batter it down and that's where he'll land.
Kekurangan laki-laki, Tangan menyadari dia hanya bisa menghentikan calon raja dengan satu hal yang mereka miliki dalam kelebihan, yaitu kotoran babi.
What do we have?
Pig shit.
Pun tiba. Pada saat makan malam, si Cersei menyerang Tryon karena mencoba menempatkan Raja Joffrey di medan perang.
Fighting to defend the capital against the wicked old rebel.
He's not ready. Only a boy. Some don't. Some men have a gift for this sort of thing. His place is not on the battlefield.
Sadly for all of us, it's not on the throne either.
Shipped off my only daughter. Do you think I'm an idiot? Now you want to send my eldest son to the battlefield to die.
Dan kemudian mengejutkan si Tryon bahwa dia memiliki wanita simpanan si Tryon.
Perhaps I'm dangerous too.
Why are you smiling?
Because I'm happy. Because I have your little whore. Lovely body. Pretty thing. Your whore.
Where did you find her?
Unless Joffrey is hurt. Don't worry, she'll be treated gently enough.
Ketika Ross diantar ke ruangan, Tryon menyuruhnya untuk berani. Ross tidak mengkhianati Tryon tetapi memintanya untuk tidak melupakannya.
You must be brave. I'm sorry they hurt you. I promise I will free you.
Don't forget me.
Never.
Meski lega bukan saya yang ditahan, Tryon berjanji pada saudara perempuannya bahwa dia akan membalaskan dendam.
Day will come when you think you're safe and happy. I will hurt you for this, and your joy will turn to ashes in your mouth. Get out. And you will know the debt is paid.
Dia bergegas ke kamar saya untuk memastikan bahwa dia aman, tetapi masih terkesima dengan bahaya yang dihadapinya. Aku milikmu dan kamu milikku. Dia mengingatkannya.
We have to be more careful. There are people who want to hurt me.
Don't be afraid. I can take care of myself.
You're mine.
I'm yours.
Promise me.
I'm yours. And you're mine.
Beralih di tempat lain di Frostfang, terlihat Dolor Bush, Ed, Grant dan Samuel Tarly menggali parit. Ed beralasan bahwa sejak Jon pergi dengan Halfdan dan tidak ada yang terlihat sejak itu mereka berdua meninggal. Tapi Sam menolak untuk mempercayainya.
No, Jon's a great fighter. He's not dead. And Corrin Halfdan's the greatest ranger alive. He's got a Valyrian steel sword.
Saat mereka menggali, Grant menemukan cacai kuno atau peti kuno Dragon Glass yang dikubur oleh leluhur Nextwed mereka.
Help me with it. The first men made these marks. Look. It's been here a long time. That's a Night's Watch cloak. Oh, must be dragon glass. Why would a brother hide it here? I expect it's because the Maesters called it obsidian.
Beralih di camp perang Raja Robb. Tanpa kabar dari Winterfell, Robb memberitahu Roose Bolton untuk memberitahu bajigur itu. Dia menginginkan belas kasihan bagi setiap Ironborn yang menyerah kecuali Theon.
Send word to your son, well to return safely to their homes. Any Ironborn who surrender will be allowed. The Ironborn, with the exception of Theon Greyjoy, betrayed me. He betrayed our cause. We will hunt him down no matter where he runs.
Tiba-tiba Talisa datang untuk memeriksa Robb yang mengalihkan pikirannya dari berbagai hal dengan menanyakan bagaimana dia bisa menjadi dokter. Talisa menceritakan bagaimana dia melihat seorang budak menghidupkan kembali saudara laki-lakinya setelah dia tenggelam.
I'm sorry. I was raised to be a proper little lady.
I was raised to be Lord of Winterfell, to sawing off men's feet.
My mother and father went to a wedding. When I was 12, when I realized I hadn't seen my brother, my heart just... And then I saw him floating face down. My friend helped me, I think. I dragged him from the water. I shook him, screamed at him, and he was dead. And ran over. And he pushed me out of the way, and he started pressing on my brother's chest. Half of the Royd. My brother spat out. I decided two things that day. I would never live in a slave city again. I would not waste my years planning dances and...
Terpesona, Robb mengakui dia tidak ingin menikah dengan Frey, dan dia dan Talisa jatuh ke pelukan satu sama lain dan terjadilah pelewakan.
I don't want to marry the Frey girl.
But you needed that bridge. I don't want you to marry her. I hope it's a very beautiful bridge.
Scene beralih di pasukan Stannis Baratheon yang sedang berlayar menuju King's Landing. Stannis memuji Davos karena merangkul masa lalu penyelundupannya dan mengambil bawang untuk sigilnya meskipun diinjek oleh rekan-rekan bangsawannya.
I used to Davos. Some high-born fools call you Onion Knight.
Your Grace. Pleased to hear it.
So you take the onion for your sigil. They insult you. Sew it on your coat. Fly the onion flag.
Stannis mengeluh bahwa orang-orang bangsawan itu dengan cepat melupakannya selama pengepungan Storm End, meninggalkan dia dengan hanya 500 orang untuk memegang kastil dan hampir tidak ada persediaan. Jika bukan karena Davos dan kapalnya yang penuh bawang, mereka pasti akan kelaparan. Stannis membenci saudaranya Robert dan Ned Stark karena mencuri semua kemuliaan selama pemberontakan. Selanjutnya, Robert menghadiahi Renly dengan Storm End, bersikeras bahwa dia sekarang adalah raja yang sah. Stannis menyebut Davos sebagai tangan kanannya.
Robert told me to hold Storm's End, so I held it. Then he told me he was giving it to Renly, so I gave it up. I've always done my duty. Because Robert was my older brother and he was the king, and insult or no, I gave it up. But now I'm the rightful king by every law of Westeros. When I sit the Iron Throne, you'll be my hand.
I'll try to serve you well.
Expect you'll be the first Crabber's son to wear the badge.
Beralih di King's Landing, dengan banyak keberanian, Joffrey bersikeras bahwa sudah waktunya bagi mereka untuk menyerang pasukan Stark. Tetapi Tyrion dan Varys merasa bahwa kedatangan Stannis adalah masalah yang lebih mendesak.
You do understand Stannis Baratheon sails this way? Nephew, you do see these men preparing the walls for siege.
I'll ride out to greet him. If my uncle Stannis lands on the shores of
Sure, your men will line up behind you. A brave choice, your grace.
Sendirian, Varys meyakinkan Tyrion bahwa dia telah membuktikan kemampuan Hand yang mengejutkan lebih baik daripada pendahulunya yang lebih terhormat.
Jon Arryn and Ned Stark were good men. Quite good at being Hand, you know. You enjoy the game.
I do.
But they disdain the game and those who play it. And you play it well.
I like to keep playing it.
Dia mengakui bahwa dia telah mendapat kabar dari Hat. Daenerys Targaryen masih hidup dan dia membesarkan para naganya. Sudah kewalahan, Tyrion mengatakan bahwa mereka harus menghadapinya satu persatu.
She has 3 dragons.
Girl at the edge of the world is the least of our problems.
It'll be years before they are fully grown. And then there'll be nowhere to hide.
One game at a time, my friend.
Beralih di kota Hat, terlihat Jorah Mormont memberitahu si Daenerys bahwa dia telah mengamankan sebuah kapal untuk membawanya ke Astapor. Daenerys menolak untuk meninggalkan naganya dan bersikeras bahwa jika Jorah benar-benar ingin melayaninya, dia akan membawanya ke House of the Undying.
You should sail to Astapor. I'm sure you'll be safe there.
And if we stay in Karth, we'll die. I will never abandon you. You know I would die for you. I'm sworn to protect you, to serve.
Then serve me.
Then take me there. If my dragons are in House of the Undying.
Meskipun Jorah takut jebakan, Daenerys mengingatkannya bahwa sihirnya sendiri lebih kuat daripada yang lainnya.
You saw me step into the fire. You remember? Watch the witch burn. What did the flames do to me?
After I have forgotten my mother's face, until my last breath, I will remember.
And they are the only children I will ever have. They are my children. Take me to them.
Beralih di Winterfell, si Theon memberitahu si Dagmer untuk menebang mayat dan mencoba memberi Dagmer uang untuk memberi kompensasi kepada petani. Dagmer meyakinkan bahwa petani dan istrinya tidak lagi khawatir.
What's this? Got priest. Gold. For the farmer. His troubles are done.
Melewati halaman, Master Luwin melihat Osha menuju ruang bawah tanah. Bertemu dengannya nanti, Luwin mengetahui anak laki-laki itu masih hidup, tetapi mengatakan kepadanya bahwa mereka tidak boleh tahu apa yang terjadi pada anak yatim.
You're right.
Hope this would be the last place they'd think to look. Home up at the gates. Who was that out there? And passed them off as little lords.
Must have been the farmer's boys.
Di dekatnya, Bran mendengar saat Regan dan Hodor tertidur.
The little lads have suffered enough. They'll never hear it from me.
Dan akhirnya Game of Thrones Season 2 episode 8 bersambung. Saksikan episode selanjutnya. Yuk gas lur.